Hi, hello, welcome back to MakeupMunchies. Today I am super excited to do some unboxing. I have got a few packages that I ordered during the New Year sale. And just to be clear, I bought all these products with my own money. No PR here. And I can't wait to show you what I got. If you are new to my channel, hi, I make videos about beauty, food and lifestyle vlogs. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. I would love to have you join our little community. Alright, let's get into the first package. Okay, let's start with my Asaya package. I ordered directly from their website where they had an amazing offer. Buy two for 849 rupees. The only thing was that you had to order two of the same products like two serums or two face washes, not a mix of both. Let's open it up. The packaging is beautiful, a lovely red box with the words passion, pride and kindness. It also says skin science perfected for Indian skin and tone, which I really liked. Inside there is a bill, a cute blue goodie bag with the Asaya logo and a thank you note along with a detailed product information. Coming to the products, I got the Asaya Luminous Love Face Wash. It's actually in powder form and its MRP is 12.99 rupees, and the Asaya Advanced Spot Targeting Serum, its MRP is 7.99, so the deal was 2 for 849 rupees and I got 4 products for 16.98 rupees. I picked two of each, one set for me and one for my mom. I've heard great things about this, so I will definitely share my detailed review after using them. Stay tuned for that video. Next, I ordered from the Nykaa luxury store. I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Mini Hollywood Filter, Mini Airbrush Setting Spray, and Mini Airbrush Setting Powder in the shade medium. I have heard so many good things about Charlotte Tilbury products, so got this at 40% off. Such a great deal. I can't wait to test them out and share my thoughts with you soon. If you want to check out these products, all the links will be in the description box below. Tira Beauty Haul. I picked up a few products from the Tira Beauty store during a discount. And you can also visit your nearest Tira Beauty store to try these products and find the shade that match you best. First, I bought two Huda Beauty products, so I got this Huda Beauty mini base brush for free. It's a dense domed face brush and the bristles feel very soft on the skin, blending cream and liquid foundations quickly and evenly. Next, I bought the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade the MVP 10. It's a beautiful bold red with a cool blue undertone that flatters many skin tones. The formula is very hydrating, gives the shine of a gloss, and creates a juicy glossy finish without feeling sticky, which makes it perfect for dry winter lips. Then I picked up the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Luminous Matte Concealer in the shade Graham Cracker. This is a medium tan shade with golden undertone that works well for medium skin tones. The concealer has medium to full buildable coverage and easily covers dark circles, blemishes, and uneven skin tone while still looking like a skin. It has a luminous matte finish and it is fragrance free, vegan, and is enriched with vitamin E and sweet almond oil to keep the under eye area looking smooth, fresh, and hydrated without creasing. I absolutely love this formula and would honestly give this concealer a 10 on 10. Next is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Very Berry. It's a creamy, long-wearing, retractable lip pencil with a built-in sharpener. The shade Very Berry is a deep mauve raspberry tone that flatters a wide range of skin tones and gives a velvety matte finish that feels smooth and non-drying. It's smudge proof and transfer proof once it sets, so you can wear it alone or pair it with a lipstick or gloss. I am loving this product so much that I definitely want to buy more shades from this collection. These are all the products I picked up from the Tira Beauty store. You can also shop them online. I will leave all the links in the description box for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.